We're from the town with the great football team. We cheer the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Hey guys, welcome back to Picksburgh. This is Anthony. I appreciate you joining me for another one of these pack opening videos. Today I got a really special treat for you. I got 3 more Cello packs from Walmart of WWE Women's Division cards. Now the reason I wanted these guys is because I'm still on the hunt for that illustrious Kiss card. Now it says look for autographs, Kiss cards, t-shirt, and matte relics, and more. So I'm still on the hunt, guys. I want that Kiss card. So we are going to open up these cards until we find it. I've already made that commitment to you guys that we will continue to open up wrestling cards until I find a Kiss card. Doesn't matter which one it is, but we must find at least one of them. Oh, these cards don't want to come out. Look at that. They must think your boy's a thief. Got a little security tag in there. All right. So let's go. We starting it off here with an NXT TakeOver Asuka, where she defeats Mickie James. Charlotte Flair defeats Sasha Banks and Bayley at Clash of Champions. Pretty nice card there. Got a NXT Ruby Riott. Got a Raw Dana Brooke. Bayley NXT. Asuka. Is that the same Asuka? Nope. Asuka has like a million different cards in this set. It's crazy. Here's another Charlotte. There's Sasha versus Dana. Got Nikki versus Carmella. Got Asuka versus Ember. Kelly. Got Natalya. Emma. Aaliyah. Maryse. Lana. Randy Richter. And there's another Asuka, guys. So 3 Asuka, 1 pack. And that's not even all the Asukas that are in this set. That's the crazy part. All right, guys. So we got 2 more packs to go. Can we get a key? Alrighty. Next pack, we got a Mickie James, Nikki Bella, Nia Jax, Miss Elizabeth, Dasha Fuentes, Summer Rae. Nice. So I have 2 of these now. This is the Alexa Bliss Freddy Krueger cosplay outfit. It's pretty slick. Asuka, another one. Trish Stratus versus Mickie James. Charlotte versus Bayley. Asuka versus Nikki Cross. Bayley. Charlotte Flair. Trish Stratus. Bayley. Mandy Rose. Bayley. All right, y'all. 1 Cello left. Last pack, guys. Asuka. Charlotte Flair. Charlotte again. Tori Wilson. Oscar, Alicia Fox, Liv Morgan, Terry Runnels. Got Eve Torres versus Maris. Becky Lynch versus Alexa Bliss. Sasha versus Nia. Kelly. Natalia. Emma. Aaliyah. Maris. Lana. Randy Richter. And that is all of them, guys. We struck out again, guys. I did not get a kiss, but I have a ton of these cards now, guys. Do me a favor. Let me know which one of these was your favorite, because you have a chance to potentially win that card. All you got to do is let me know in the comment section, and what I'm going to do is go through and do a random comment generator, and I'm going to select a winner. And in my next one of these videos, you'll see either somebody's name in the video, or I'll just respond to your comment and let you know you're a winner, in which case you'll look down into the description below, get my email and or social media, get a hold of me, and I will ship for you for free anywhere in the world whatever your favorite card was from this break. All right, guys, I just wanted to take a minute to announce the giveaway from the last one of these videos we did. David, you're the winner, man. I really appreciate the support. Do me a favor, go down in the description of this video. You'll find my email there. Send me your address, and I will get that card out to you right away. Again, really appreciate all the support. And guys, make sure you comment on this video for a chance to win your favorite card from this break as well. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching this. I really appreciate the support. And until next time, may God bless you.